Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to be working on exercise 5, which is write this function. What went wrong takes a list of log messages, returns a list of strings. And it's going to print out the messages that correspond to log messages which are errors and also have a error code of greater than or equal to 50. So, I think in this video I'm just going to write the test for this thing. And, well, once again, here's a concrete example of what this function is actually doing. If I give it all of these log messages in a list, it's going to print out, or it's going to return a list consisting of the strings flange failed, because this is an error message with error code. I guess that's severity. Error code greater than 50. Way too many pickles, bad pickle flange interaction detected, and that's it. Oh, and they tell you that down here too. So, because they have this sample.log file with this input and this expected output, the test I'm going to write is just going to call their test function. I'm going to call it test my what went wrong, just because in log.hs there's actually a function called test what went wrong. So, minor annoyance, but that's okay. Okay. And all this is going to do is assert, actual expected. The expected is simply the list. What is the list? It's this list. Let's clean that up. Here we go. And the actual is the result of calling what went wrong on... Oh, okay, this is going to be test what went wrong. This is the function from log.hs. And it takes my parse function, which is called parse message, and it takes the what went wrong function, which is just what went wrong, and it takes a file path. Sample.log. Okay, and now not in scope what went wrong. Oops, sorry about that. What was this again? I'm going to peek. Oh yeah, list of log message to list of string. And pop back here. Does not compile. Okay. So, this is actually an I/O action, of course, because it's reading from a file. So, my test case is going to be an assertion which does, well, that bound into assert String to log message, is that not the type of parse message? Oh. String to list of log message. What the hell is that? I haven't written a function that takes a string and returns a list of log message. Oh, yes, I have. Parse. Huh, my bad. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so do not worry too much about this test case. I sort of, on the fly, realized that my test was horribly wrong, and of course, there is some way to pretty this up with the little operators in HUnit. But I guess here's a fun little introduction to monads. This can also be written like this, but I prefer to avoid using do notation. Anyways, just trust me. This is doing what I said it does. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.